Hello everyone, my name is Sochad Tirsin. I'm a leader from team AI โคตรโหดกระโดดยิงอย่ากดวาโล and today I'm talking about our project. When the people think about Thailand, they often think of the agriculture. Millions of the families still depend on the farming for their livelihood. But here is the reality. Many smallholders make the high-risk financial decision every single season, without clear financial visibility. They borrow to plant, they invest the fertilizer and labor, but they don't clearly see their cost, cash flow timing, or financial risk before planting. And when cash run out of the mid-season, it's already too late. The problem is that not farmer lacks effort, it's that they lack financial decision support. That's why we built Farm Financial AI. Yes. Farm Financial AI. What is this? Yeah. Farm Financial AI is our project. The financial risk and cash flow decision support system recognized spe- specially and for the smallholder farmer. It combines three things: product cost, market price uncertainty, and seasonal cash flow timing. Instead of focusing on the yard, we focus on the financial survival. The system estimates expected device total cost and highlights when cash shortage may occur during the season. Then it generates a simple financial risk score, and the most importantly, farmers can access it all via the platform they already use. They can ask a simple question in Thai such as ถ้าฉันปลูก5 ไร่ของข้าวเนี่ยจะมีความเสี่ยงเท่าไหร่ and within a second they revise a clear answer including projected income, cost, and risk level. We are not replacing farmer judgment, we are giving them visibility before they commit their money. Our our working demo is already includes a financial model, cash flow timeline analysis, risk scoring, and a live chatbot interface. We are intentionally start a small of the one region to ensure the realism and scalability. Because our goal is not to build another agriculture app, but our goal is to reduce the farmer failure for it happen. If the farmer can see this early, they can adjust the planting size, borrowing amount of the input spending, and that the small shift can pivot depth of the compounding year after year. Farm Financial AI is our step toward a future where no farmer plans in the dark. Thank you. Thank you very much.